Welcome to New Car Today. We're bringing you a review of an automotive legend, the Volkswagen Type. 2. This classic van has stood the test of time, and with modern modifications, it's more eye-catching than ever. We've come across this model in 3 verified color combinations: red and black, full black, and black and blue. While other colors may exist, these are the ones we have confirmed, and today we'll take a closer look at them, starting with the front design. The iconic V-shaped hood and the signature Volkswagen logo stand out, preserving its timeless appeal. The upgraded LED headlights provide excellent visibility at night, while the custom-modified bumper adds a touch of aerodynamics without compromising its retro charm. Moving to the side profile, the van features large vintage-style windows, classic wheel arches, and custom alloy wheels that give it a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity. The red and black model offers a bold, sporty look, while the full black variant enhances its timeless elegance. The black and blue version, on the other hand, delivers a unique balance between classic and contemporary styling. Inside, the Volkswagen Type 2 has been upgraded for comfort and functionality. The cabin maintains its retro aesthetics with wooden paneling and vintage dashboard elements, yet it now includes modern touchscreen infotainment, premium upholstery, and improved climate control for a smooth and enjoyable ride. Under the hood, this classic van doesn't just rely on nostalgia, it's been given a performance boost. With a refined engine setup, it delivers enhanced power and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both collectors and adventure seekers. Overall, the Volkswagen Type 2 continues to be an icon, combining its legendary design with modern enhancements. Whether you're drawn to its classic appeal or the upgraded performance, this van remains a true automotive masterpiece. If you love classic cars with a modern twist, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. This is New Car, bringing you the best in automotive history and innovation. See you in the next video.